Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and that bell button so you do not miss one of my videos. Today, I got my package I ordered from EboneePlushCreations. Yes, ma'am. Can't wait. Ba-bam! She's got a glittery, shimmery Ebony Plush Creations. Anybody can use this Ebony PC hashtag for anything that you do with Ebony Plush Creations products. You just use that hashtag. Excuse me. And she'll be able to see it. It says thank you. She is a small business, but we are hoping to get her to grow. You know, small business, all they need is a little love and support, and throw them out there and pretty much like feed them to the wolves. Everybody the orders just start coming in and coming in. So also, I'm an ambassador for Ebony Plush Creations. Here is my code. I'll put it up here and link it. I always keep these netting bags. They're so cute. So I got 2 matte vinyls. They are the zebra print. Let's see, take them out of here. No. There. You can see it now. It's a matte finish, the zebra print. And I got 2 black ones. And yes, it's hollow. I got 2, I think it's like an emerald color, hollow. They're also the zebra print. Oh, look. It's so shifty. You can see my ring light just glowing out of it. Look at that. It is like a teal color. And it shifts. Well, obviously you can see it shifts. But it's super cute. They're also the zebra. I love them. I cannot wait to use these. They are super cute. I also ordered these thingies right here. If I can get it open. Where's my scissors? She also has nail tools on there. And I ordered some of these little scoopers. So, because y'all know me, Rebel Mommy here. I use the acrylics and I'll mix them with gels. And these little scoopers come in handy for pigments, acrylics, you know, they're just really nice even to scoop on your nail if you. It is really nice to have, and I was super excited because they were super affordable. Super affordable. I think these are like $1 a piece, if I'm not mistaken. I will put prices up here on each individual thing that I did buy. Because my order thing just tells me what I ordered. But I will show you prices and whatnot on these. And I got some more of these stickers. I still haven't used the first one. I still need to use the second one. Also got butterfly nail foils. And they are super cute. I'm so excited about that. They're Butterfly Galaxy nail foils. And let's see. Oh, yeah. See, look at that. Just galaxy there. Orange. It's like, looks like fireworks there. Super cute. Super cute. Love it. You got a butterfly one. Oh, I love it. Love them. I love butterflies. I love hollow. Oh, so cute. So cute. Glow in the dark. Oh, go back. Go back. Go back to where you came. Go. Roll. So hard once you get them out. They put them back the way they were. Oh, that's cute too. Love it. Oh, love them colors. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Ebony girl, you got it going. Oh, look at that. It looks like a cosmic blast. That is super cool. Now the flowers. Is that a deer? Look at that. That is super cool. There's a deer in the galaxy. Aww. And this one. They're all unique and different in their own way. And they're super cute. And I love them. I really do. You can check out my Ebony Creations shop. She is on Instagram. She is on Facebook. And she is on Twitter. And she is on YouTube. So go check her out. I will link all of her pages in the description box. Go check her out. Go support a small business and get you some really nice nail decals, nail art tools, foils, you name it. I even think she's got some acrylics. Go check her out. Tell her that Rebel Mommy sent you. Also, like I said, right here, use my code at EboneePlushCreations. That's what, Rebel Mommy 10. Yeah, that's it. Rebel Mommy 10 for 10% off. Y'all have a wonderful evening or day, evening. I got up way too early this morning. And glow your brightest. And I'll talk to you next time. Subscribe.